Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the GATE previous year questions. This is the questions of GATE examinations 2019. Two masses A and B having mass MA and MB respectively lying in the plane of the figure shown are rigidly attached to the shaft which revolve about an axis through O perpendicular to the plane of the figure. The radius of rotation of the mass MA and MB are RA and RB. Okay. The angle between line OA and OB is 90 degree. If MA is 10 kilogram, MB is 20 kilogram, RA and RB is given, then balance mass to be placed at a radius of 200 is kilogram. That means we have to find out the balance mass. Okay. The position of the balance mass, the radius of the balance mass is given 200 So basically this is the questions based on static balancing of rotating masses. We all know that the formula is MB is equal to under root of minus of summation of MR cos of theta whole square plus minus of summation of MR sin theta whole square. This is the formula. Okay. So we will calculate first summation of MR cos theta. This is the horizontal component of forces, and summation of MR sin theta it is the vertical components. Okay. So we will solve this step by step. So summation of MR cos theta is what? There are two masses A and B, and the position you can see, the position of mass A is horizontal, that is theta is equal to 0 degree, and we can consider it as reference, and from the reference B is at 90 degree. Okay, so that means MARA is what? MA is 10 kilogram, RA is 200 So 10 multiplies 0.2, you will get 2 kilogram into meter. Similarly, MBRB you can calculate separately in order to reduce the error of calculations. So MB is 20 and this is 400. So this is 20 and 400 means 0.4. So you will get here 8 kilogram into meter. So now MARA cos theta. Cos theta 1 is what? Theta 1 is equal to 0 degree. And MBRB sin theta 2, and sin theta 2 is considered 90 degree from the reference. Sorry, this would be cos theta 2 because we are considering horizontal components. So we can put the values 2 cos of 0 plus this is 8 cos 90 degree. We all know that cos 90 is 0, so this term becomes 0. You will get 2 cos 0 is equal to 1. So summation of MR cos theta is equal to 2. Now the second is, this is kilogram into meter. Summation of MR sin theta. You can also calculate similar way. That is MARA sin theta 1 plus MBRB sin theta 2. MBRB sin theta 2. Okay. MARA is 2 sin 0 plus 8 sin 90. Sin 0, this term becomes 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0 and sin 90 is equal to 1. So here you can get the value 8 kilogram into meter. Now you have to put this value in the equation number 1. So from the equation number, what we can get? From equation number 1, MB. See, radius of the balanced mass is given 200 So I can write it as 0.2 meter. That is under root of minus of 2 whole square plus minus of 8 whole square, and that would becomes 4 plus 64. Okay, that means under root of 68. So when you solve this, you will get the value of balancing mass Mb is equal to under root of 68 upon 0.2. So the balance mass would be 41.23 kilogram. So that is the balance mass. So this is the basically integer type question. So you have to consider balance mass only. Okay, this would be 41.23. I hope you will understand the solution of that question. Thank you.